Are you searching for the best electric angle grinder? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best electric angle grinders in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Makita DGA 404 18V 125mm Brushless Lithium Electric Angle Grinder. Rechargeable variable speed. Features 6 gears for precise speed control, ensuring optimal performance for various materials. Durable material. Constructed with a robust alloy, plastic and rubber build, this grinder withstands rigorous use. Ergonomic design. Ergonomically designed with a slim soft body for comfortable handling, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Makita LYUWO angle grinder use. Brushless motor. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, this grinder offers superior performance and longevity. Compatibility. Optimized for Makita 18V batteries, this grinder is a versatile addition to your power tool collection.